Tired of clunky default audio players ruining your high-end web designs? Today we are mastering the ElementsKit Audio Player widget, a tool that blends professional-grade UI with seamless functionality. Before we dive in, a quick technical note. This is a professional feature, so you will need ElementsKit Pro installed and activated to follow along. Navigate to the ElementsKit dashboard and ensure the Audio Player widget is toggled on. ElementKit gives you a ready-made template, so here I'm clicking the ElementsKit icon. Then in the Sections tab, I'm searching for Audio Player widget. Here are a lot of options. You just have to choose the one you need. So I'm choosing the first one. Then click Insert. So it has already appeared here. In the Content tab, we can see that here is an option which is called Image. So you can choose any image that you want and that goes with your content. So you can also change the resolution of this image. Here it's already default, so I'm choosing as it is. You can choose which one you need. Then we have an option called Caption. So here we can see that there is no option, but you can choose anyone. Here's two other options which is called Attachment of Caption and Custom Caption. So if you want, you can choose them. Then another option which is called Link. If you want to add any link, suppose media file or custom URL, you can choose from here. Then there's an option which is called ElementsKit Masking. If you enable the masking option, then you will get a lot of options and styles. I'm choosing this one. This looks pretty cool. You can change the position of this, center, then you can change the size as well. If you want to change the title of the heading, you can change it from here. You can also add some links. Then you can also add HTML tag, and the HTML tag here is H2. If you want to change them, you can like use H1, H3, H4, and etc. Finally, we have show border option and float left, and or you can change the width of this. So if you click the show border, then you will get a border here, but I'm not keeping it as it. So we have subtitle. So here we can see that there's an option which is subtitle. If you want to show them, then you just have to click yes, then the subtitle will be showed here. So you can change the settings from here. Then we also have the settings for title description. So here in the title description, we can see that there is some writings. If you want, you can also cut them. So here we can see that this is our audio player widget from ElementsKit Pro. So if you want to change the contents from here, you can change them from the settings. So as we are talking about the audio widget, I will be showing you this part. So here in the Content tab, we can see that there is an option which is called Source, and this one is selected as external, and if you want, you can change it to self-hosted. So if you click this, you just have to choose audio from your gallery. So I'm keeping it as external. So the URL is pasted here of this audio. And there is another options which is basically autoplay. If you enable the autoplay option, it will just start playing automatically. Then there we have the loop option. The loop option is basically when you start this, it will start playing in the loop. So I think I don't need the loop option, so I'm closing it. Then the final option we have here is muted. If we mute this, then it will be muted. So no, I don't want this. I just want the autoplay option. So yeah. Then we have the control options. There we have the play and pause. Then we have the progress bar, progress handler, current time. Use the current time. The time will be showed here. So then we have total duration and volume bar as well. So the volume slider here is selected as vertical, but if you select horizontal, it will show like that. So I'm keeping it as horizontal so that I can know the current volume of this. Then the start volume is selected 0.8 default. Then after that, we have the player icons. In the player icon option, you can change the icons of your player. So you can choose it from the library. There are other options. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Then we have the pause icon, replay icon, unmute icon and mute icon. So for this, I'm just changing the unmute icon. Okay, so see how simple it is. Now, the styling masterclass. For a premium UI UX, every detail matters. In the Style tab, you have granular control over the progress bar height, background overlays, and button aesthetics. Focus on the typography. Use your global styles for the track name, but experiment with letter spacing for the artist's metadata to create a visual hierarchy. So, if you want to change the size here, you will be able to change it like that, but I don't need this as big as it is showing right now, so 15 looks very fine. Then you can change the color also. I'm keeping it, this color looks very well. Then we have the box shadow option. If you want any shadow, you can like change it. The shadow looks well here. Well, then we have the progress bar. For progress bar, we have these settings. You can change the height, the background color, the border type also. Then we have progress handler. It's also same. You can change the width, height and border type also. So I'm keeping the border type as none here. And the border radius is already set to 100. If you want to change, you can change it from here. Then we have the time. Here we have the color, the current time settings. You can change the color. Then we have duration time. Finally, we can see that there's an option which is volume. As it is, I have showed you before, you can change the volume bar as far as your need. Move to the Advanced tab. To give your players some breathing room, to truly elevate the UX, use the Advanced tab. You can use these settings to make the section look more professional with just a few clicks. For those who want total creative control, you guys can choose it from the dashboard, from the widget library. So you can search the audio player widget and you just have to drag the one with the ElementsKit badge. Just drag and drop, and then the settings that I have already shown you, you can customize that. So here you can wrap the player in custom columns and background gradients, etc, etc. Performance and aesthetics must carry over to every device. Use the responsive toggles to scale down your typography and adjust the button sizes. The ElementsKit player is lightweight, ensuring your mobile load times stay fast while looking sharp on a retina display. So this is the mobile shape. And this is the tablet one. And now we have the desktop. So yeah, the core solution here is total design freedom. ElementsKit Pro removes the technical barriers of custom coding and audio interface, allowing you to focus on the UX. So yeah, that was it. Upgrade your workflow today. Check the link in the description to get ElementsKit Pro and start building better audio experiences. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert WordPress tutorials.